Hello students, welcome in my English language vocabulary video. Today we are going to learn one new topic. Name of the topic is compound words. Name of the topic is compound words. A compound word is one that is made up of two or more words. A compound word is one that is made up of two or more words. Example, teapot. Example is a teapot. Teapot is a compound word. How it is? Teapot is made up of the words tea and pot. Words tea and pot. And what is the definition? Tell us. A compound word is one that is made up of two or more words. So here teapot is a compound word. Next, I want to tell you one thing. These compound words sometimes made by noun with noun, gerund with noun, noun with gerund, adjective with noun, participle with noun. That's why I try to remember our previous classes related studies. Do you know, students, about noun, gerund, adjective, participle? Yes or no? Yes. Good. Now we again see their definition and also one examples related to it. I would like to start from noun. A noun is the name of a person, an animal, a thing or a feeling. Here one sentence, Anjali plays football. So here Anjali and football, these are two nouns. Because our definition tells us a noun is the name of a person or animal and also thing or a feeling. So that's why Anjali and football, these two words are showing us these are nouns. Next, gerund. A verb denoting position, existence or action but functioning as a noun is known as a gerund. A verb denoting position, existence or action but functioning as a noun is known as a gerund. One example, my friend likes singing. My friend likes singing. So here singing word is a gerund. Next, adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun by adding some information about it. Example, he is a naughty boy. He is a naughty boy. So naughty word is a adjective. Next, participle. A verb denoting position, existence or action in the present participle form or the past participle form but functioning as an adjective is known as a participle. I again repeat it. A verb denoting position, existence or action in the present participle form or the past participle form but functioning as functioning as an adjective is known as a participle. For example, he watched the working seamen. Here, working word is a participle and it is present participle. Present participle. Before some time, I told you these compound words made by noun with noun, gerund with noun, etc. Now we will see to it. First one, noun plus noun. Noun with noun. Example number 1, sportsman. Here sports is noun and man also noun. When sports and man, these two words came together, that time sportsman, this compound word formed. That's why sportsman is an example of compound word. Next, biscuit factory. Biscuit is a noun. Factory is also noun. When biscuit and factory, these two words came together, that time biscuit factory, this compound word form. Next, gerund plus noun means gerund with noun. Managing director. Managing director is example of compound word. How it is? Here managing is a gerund, director is a noun. When managing and director, two words came together, that time managing director, this compound word formed. Next, rolling pin. Rolling pin. Rolling is a gerund, pin is a noun. When rolling and pin, these two words came together. That time rolling pin, this compound word formed. Next, noun plus gerund means noun with gerund. Example number 1, book binding. Here book is a noun, binding is a gerund. Book binding is an example of compound word. When book and binding, these two words came together, that time what happened? Book binding word means compound word formed. Next, fault finding. Fault is a noun, finding is a gerund. When fault and finding, these two words came together, that time fault finding, this compound word formed. Next, adjective plus noun means adjective with noun. First one word, cold cream. Second is wisecrack. We will start from first. Cold cream. Cold is adjective, cream is a noun. When cold and cream, these two words came together, that time cold cream, this compound word formed. Next, wisecrack. Wise is adjective, crack is a noun. When these two words means wise and crack, these two words came together, that time wisecrack, this compound word formed. Next, participle. Next is participle plus noun. Participle into bracket ing bracket finish plus noun. Example number 1, drinking water. Here drinking is a participle, drink plus ing. Drinking is a participle, water is a noun. When drinking and water, these two words came together, that time drinking water, these compound words formed. Next, punching bag. Punching is a participle, bag is a noun. When these two words means punching and bag, two words came together, that time punching bag, this compound word formed. Now we will start our exercise. All of you ready for exercise? Yes or no? Yes, good. The following compound words are spelled in a jumbled order. Rearrange the letter to make them meaningful. Rearrange the letters to make them meaningful. A. Question number 1. A. AREETUKDN. When we will rearrange the letter, that time what happen? We will get new meaningful word, and meaningful word is undertake. UNDERTAKE, undertake. Next, B. DUBGYROAD. Answer is bodyguard. Next, question number 2. Write how the following compounds are formed. Write how the following compounds are formed. First one, reception desk. Reception desk. Reception is noun and desk is noun. Noun plus noun. Next, comic strip. Comic is adjective, strip is a noun. Thank you.